Yo, what's up? Today I got a lot of packages. As you know, I collect graffiti books and I have done it for uh, since last December 2023. And today I got some unboxing to do. So please follow me in this video as I unbox graffiti books I ordered. As you see, Santa has been really kind this year. Some cool graffiti books I ordered. And yeah, let's start the, the first package. This is my first unboxing video, so I hope you like it. Yeah, this package is some kind of light version. Let's see what we got. I'm inspired by a lot of unboxing videos, so I was like, let's try to do one as well. This is a Swedish portrait of graffiti writers that I've been looking for a while, and I found it at unfade.eu. Unfade is the website who sells graffiti supplies, and the book I ordered is 1207. That is the number of how do you say, crime number when graffiti artists are doing something. The police call it the number of 1207 as a crime in the radio or something. So this book is I've been looking for it for a long while. Document Press is the guys who has done it, and it's his name is Torkel Sjöstrand. He's done several other books, and I have some friends who are in this book as well, so I got curious to see those guys. Yeah, finally got it. Let's go on to the next book I ordered. Let's take all the smallest packages. Next book will be a surprise. So yeah, probably gonna be a long unboxing video, but I don't care. I just want to do it because I am excited. I've been collecting for a full year, and I want to share my I want to share my vision and goals, what I've been through. This other book I got on sale. This is another book that is hard to find, but I got it from this website, Hitzerot from Germany. They got all kinds of graffiti books if you're interested. And the book I got is none other than Oslo Graffiti. Oslo Graffiti from a part of Oslo's Norway's graffiti history in pictures 1984 to 2008. So this is a pretty heavy book about the history of Oslo graffiti. And yeah, this, I'm really happy to have found this one. And yeah. Thank you, Hitzerat, for hooking me up with some really dope graffiti books. Let's go on to package number 3, unboxing number 3. What do we got here? Unboxing. So this book is from another company that is called Def Shop. Def Shop got a graffiti section where you can buy books and other supplies, and they got really nice deals. I got most of my books there on a really good price, on sale. So let's see what this is. This book, I don't know what it is. Yeah, this is another book that I've been searching also and found it. I'm happy, and it's no other than Barcelona Showdown graffiti book. It's also pretty thick, and yeah, it covers like subway trains in Barcelona for some decades. Documentation in this one. Really happy that I found this. It's a gem. Oslo, and this one is, I'm really happy that I found it. So thank you, Def Shop, for Barcelona Showdown. Let's go on to the 4th package. It's also from Def Shop, I think. Yeah, luckily I'm strong. Let me just tear it apart like this. It's like being a kid on Christmas Eve. Yeah, Def Shop. Let's see what Def Shop has in this one. Yeah, this is a pretty heavy book, and it's no other than Says 53. Says 53. I think he's a Dutch old school legend writer. And yeah, I don't know nothing about him, but I'm checking him out in this book that he's been put together. Clown master, manipulator, style master, bad boy, legend, writer, anarchist, freak, fool, boundary breaker, artist. Says 53. I hope you deliver. So yeah, let's move on to the 5th unboxing. Yeah, the 5th box, I think probably from Def Shop too. Let's see. Yeah, Def Shop. Thank you, Def Shop. so many things. This is a heavy one. This book is no other than an Italian book that is called Fundamentale. Fundamentale. It's a book that covers train graffiti from 1992 to 2002, and probably Italian commuter trains, but yeah, it's in Italian, as I see in the back of the scriptures here. But there is a luckily English version. If you do if you scan that QR code, you get the English text with this book. Pretty massive book, probably 3.5 kilos. I don't know, I'm guessing. So I had to have this one as well. I'm covering graffiti from all kind of corners. And last box but not least, this one is the heaviest of all. This book I got inspired by a friend who has, I think this is from that shop too. This is the heaviest of all, probably 4 kilos. It's none other than Tales from Belgium. Tales from Belgium. This is a heavy bastard. Probably 4 kilos, yeah. This book covers graffiti on trains in Belgium for, I think, 4 decades. And it's a pretty heavy book. So this one is like... the biggest one I have right now, besides another one as well. So I recommend you get this book. It's a really, I don't know, I don't have words, but it's the guy who made this book is also a graffiti writer and has put a lot of work in it, and it's the documentation in this one is really heavy, and I think everybody should get this one. The design here could be better because you can't really read the text properly, but luckily you have this text over here, Tales from Belgium. It comes with 3 other colors in design, so there is a green one, I think, yellow one, and this white one. It represents the different train lines, I think. Someone mentioned that a while ago. And the last thing I got is some pair of woolen socks from my mother-in-law. Thank you. So yeah, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heavy ass books. I recommend all of you to order, and if you're a collector as me, you should definitely have these books. So I will continue to collect as usual, but I'm gonna slow down the pace and I'm also gonna do a video of all of my collection I have collected of graffiti books this year. Some of books I had from before, but not all of them. So thank you for watching, and if you are a graffiti artist and enjoy these books, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Peace.